Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to resolve the common DISM error 87 that you might encounter, especially when using the restore health command. And now let's get started. The DISM error 87 often appears when you attempt to run the restore health command. Before anything else, ensure you are running command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for command prompt in the Windows search bar and selecting the Run as Administrator option from the right pane. Once command prompt is open with administrative privileges, paste the DISM restore health command and press Enter. If the error persists, there is an alternative approach that has proven effective for many users. According to information shared on Microsoft forums, performing an SFC scan can sometimes resolve underlying issues that cause the DISM error. After completing the SFC scan, try running the DISM restore health command again. To initiate an SFC scan, open command prompt as an administrator again, type SFC/scan now, and press Enter. Allow the scan to complete. If the SFC scan does not resolve the problem, it is recommended to restart your computer. Right-click on the Start button, then select Shut Down or Sign Out and choose Restart. After your computer has restarted, try running the DISM restore health command once more. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.